Now we'll see about this activity 8 about queries. First query will be exact match student with passport number MQ2416179. Okay, so we have using the Berrymill database. Here you can go to create, and you can go to query design. I will select the student table and I select all the field. And now we have to select only the particular passport number. So then we select passport number. So I'll remove this tick, and we'll get the passport number here, MQ216179. So I'll paste here. So when you run this one, you will get only that passport number student. Okay. So I will save this as say query 1. Then we'll go for the next query. Here, Boolean, all the students who do not yet have parental consent. So that means parental consent mean if you want to see here. So parental consent is a column you have in this place here, the parental consent. Okay. So parental consent, if you can see the table, design view, parental consent is yes, no. So they are asking the question, all the students who do not yet have parental consent. So then what we have to do is say you create query design and take the student and all the field parental consent. So who do not have parental consent mean, then you have to say no. So when you run here, you can see the parental consent. You see, it is no. If it is yes mean, it is got ticked. So then we will save it as query 2. So then we'll go for the next exercise. Next question. Equal to sign all the students who choose to pay in one installment. So one installment, yes. Then how do you find the one installment? You have to go to TBL student, and here see the payment installment. So then we'll go to create, we'll go to query design and take the student table and all fields. And you see the payment installment is 1. Okay, then you run it. Then you can see payment installment 1 will be displayed. Okay, so I will save this as query 3. So then next one is sort single ascending descending. Okay, so sort single ascending descending. Okay, so we'll see how to sort this one. Say create query design. I'll take the student number, all the fields, and I select student ID. I want to sort it now. So then here I'll say sort ascending one. So what will happen here? You will get the student number in the ID in the ascending order. Yes, you can see in the ascending order. So then design, you can see only thing is you have to see in the sort, you have to select ascending here. So I will save this one. So then descending mode also we'll try now, query design. So you select the student table, all the fields, student ID. Then here you have to go to the sort, and here you have to select the descending. Okay. So then you save this, query 5. Right. So right, then next one is the wildcards. All the students with postcodes beginning with FE. So how we can do this one? So we'll go to query design. Then you take the student table Okay. So there you can see, then you select the postcode. You select the postcode. So then you can see like beginning. So the postcode beginning with FE. Beginning with FE. So then when you run this one, you can see the postcode is beginning with FE. Yes, where the postcode is beginning with FE. So I'll save that one. So then next one, all the students address that include road. So then how do you find the include road? That means you can see that student address one where the road is there. Yes, it is like this one, this one. Okay. For that one, how you give this, how do you develop the query? So query design, you go to student table and you can see their address one. You can see, you can say like, so like, say you can say here, sing asterisk, and you whether it is contained row. Again, you put asterisk and single quotation mark. Okay. So if you want to see large, okay. So if you want to see the, you can type. So you can see single quotation, asterisk, and road, and asterisk, and single quotation. Okay. So then you can see when you run it here, say you get the addresses which has the student name, address, where you have the road. Okay. Right. Okay. Then the next query is the next one is greater than or greater than equal to. Then all the students were chosen to pay more than one installment. So then what you do is here, say create query design. So you take the table, all the fields, and payment installment. So number of payment installment. So take off this wheel, then you say greater than 1. Then you can see the payment installment, which is Ola greater than 1, will be displayed here. See the Ola greater than payment 1. Okay. So that is about, right? Okay. So I'll save this one. Okay. So the next one is, the next one is all the students who born after 24/04/2003. So then create a query design. So student table. Then you can select the date of birth. So student date of birth should be before 2000 before 2003 22. So that mean before mean less than 22/04/2003. So when you run it here, you can get the student's detail. Okay, before 2004, 2003. Okay. The access at this, they can convert this to DD format. So don't worry about this hash and all, automatically access, give that to the query. So that is about query 9. So then, so that is about greater than. So we'll see the next lesson from the less one. Okay, less than we will do it next time. Okay.